Riri andu marorete ukungwiri wa mambura ma thiguku ya Easter, Kiama kia ene ngari cia ukui wa muingi Matatu Owners Association ni giikitie ritana ria andu kugia na wuigiririki kuona ica ikuhi mitino ikoretwo ikihanika hakuhi o muthenya. Kuringana na ruhonge rwa NTSA, andu 1,100 nio makuite kuma mweri wa Januari nginyagia mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu. Kiama kia moa gikiuria matereba kugia na wuigiririki na kuga matire na mubango wa kuongerera marihi ma ngari mambura-ini maya ma Easter.
From January up to March, we have almost 1,100 fatalities. Compared to last year, it has gone down. And when it comes to the issue of PSV, it is not high, it is down. And the issue of fares, I think we will not have that increase the way it normally go up. We've told our drivers to be very careful on the roads, to make sure that they drive carefully. And we are urging the passengers wherever they are to make sure that if they see any overspeeding, they must report to any nearest police station. And they must even take the pictures.
Na irita njira ya guthaitira mitino barabara-ini, Kiama giki kiugite kuma mweri wa gatano ni megukorwo magithomithia matereba ao makiria uhoro wigi wuigiririki barabara-ini, makiongerera ati ni mararutithania wira na honge cia kurua na ungumania niguo kunina ungumania barabara-ini.
Tubangite kuma mweri wa 5 ni tuguthio county na nigetha tugie na clinics cia kuelimisha ndereba aria twinao na kuelimisha ahuthiri ya barabara nigetha tuguithie mitino ya barabara piu. Na tungiona ndereba ndaraigua kana ni areka uria gutagiriire ni twandikagira NTSA marua na tugakanja license yake agakorwo ndegutwarithia ngari ya akui ya abiria hindi ingi nginya hindi iria akarekebisha.
Oho Kiama giki nikiuritie ruhonge rwa NTSA guthukira thirikari cia county wira wa kugacirithia wuigiririki barabara-ini.
We are urging NTSA to devolve the road safety function into the county level, because we believe that if we work through the county level, it's going to be easier to sort the issue within the county level, because we know very well that the road safety was gazetted by the Waziri Murkomen, and our people were supposed to work with the county and the NTSA at the grassroots level, which has not been going well.
Na kurumirira makinya maria matacukeirio kambuni ya ngari cia Super Metro maugite ni wega ngari yanyitwo na mahitia, ndereba agatacukerio makinya ariwe na ngari iyo no ti kuherithia sakwiri othe.
As per now, we know that Super Metro controls a big chunk of the passengers in Nairobi. Almost 1 million of the passengers, they use Super Metro, and the chairman of NTSA has assured us that he'll try his level best to make sure they are back on the road.
Ngirifuatira Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.